Hi guys, today we got the Valtcan titanium bolt pen. I'm gonna do a quick overview of the pen, then a disassembly and reassembly of the pen. So here's your TI bolt pen. Everything is titanium except this clip. This is stainless steel for better tension. It has the tungsten tip at the end. So I'm gonna do a disassembly to show you how to replace your refill. Just simply unscrew the top cap, pen cap I mean. You get a spring and then take out your refill. Right now I put in a Schmidt P900 fine-point refill. In Germany, you can find these on Amazon. It comes in the fine, medium, and I think even really medium, and then I think a broad, but I'm not sure. You have to check that out. Relatively inexpensive, maybe $1. And then just put your refill in, put back the spring and pen cap. Here's a closer shot of the craftsmanship. To disassemble the rest of the pen, you simply unscrew this. This is the top cap that contains the tungsten tip. This is all one piece. Then here's the clip. You could play around with this clip also. You could adjust the tension by bending this clip here slightly if you want. Okay. Here's the bolt mechanism. To disassemble the rest, simply unscrew this. Little cap on the bolt. You may want to do this from time to time just because it gets a little dirty and dust might go in it, so it might not be as smooth as the beginning. Once you get that bolt out, you can take the rest of the rod out. Here you see also titanium. You can just clean this over here, or even put a little bit of oil if you want, if it's not smooth enough for you. Here's the barrel of the pen. And I'm gonna do a quick reassembly. The hardest part of assembling this pen is just this bolt right here. Simply push it over here, and I'll use this. Try to line that up. Oh, I messed up. Let's do it again. Line this bolt hole with this screw right here, screw hole. And you push it in, make sure it's lined up, and then simply screw it back on. I've been asked if this pen takes replacement parts from Valtcan titanium pens. I'm not sure. I have to check the measurements of their pens. Back the clip and the top. Very easy. Now put your refill in. You can test it if you want. And then just spring back and the cap. And that's it. It is new. Okay, there you have it guys. Valtcan titanium bolt pen. New version will be out soon. It's gonna be a matte black finish titanium. Okay, thank you.